Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to reset network settings in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you have to go to your Windows settings. You can go to your start menu and search for Windows settings or tap the gear icon if you can see it here. Now, the next thing to do is you have to look for network and internet. Double click or tap this one. Now scroll down and look for advanced network settings. So you have to go to this area and then below here, you should see the network reset. And all you have to do is just click this one. It will take you directly to this. So basically, it will show you this message. Now, you will see a warning. This will remove all network adapters and reset everything back to default. To confirm reset, you just have to click the reset now button. And after that, you have to tap on yes. So tap on the reset right here. Now, the PC will restart automatically in about 5 minutes. After that, you can now go and reconnect your Wi-Fi. So you can connect your Wi-Fi, choose your Wi-Fi, and re-enter your password. Now, basically, that's how easy it is and how to reset network settings in Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.